Hey YouTube, Brad here again, Fat Magnet Guy, Princess Rachel, Rogue Magnet, description down below, link, all that good stuff. There's also a link down below for Kratos magnets as well. And we're here at another bridge, and it, to me, looks a little shallow, but we're gonna try. Now,
it's so shiny.
Hey, it's me again. Second bridge. That first one was really clean. This one we've been to before, so we're gonna try to pull some more out of it. And we just noticed that there's a little old bridge in the woods over there. So
can't see it though.
So we might be able to go to that next time if she ever figures out this whole camera thing. So I always keep it pointed at the person talking. But you know, we have to get the right shoes on. Both my girls are wearing flip-flops, so. But we'll try here, see what we can find. No, you didn't feel like.
Got some blue stuff on it. Wow.
Another one of them brackets. Another one of them brackets.
Mm-hmm.
Bolt!
Cool.
And an old ratchet strap.
Yeah, because you got some, honey. Let's see.
What did Princess Rachel get?
It's stuck.
Bolt-looking thing? No.
Stuck. What's this?
I don't know what that is.
What she said?
What's this?
Slopper pour.
What is it?
It's stuck in between.
Oh, it's a nut.
Slapper.
And then a big bolt. Is it mine? Pull it off.
Yes.
Good job.
Big old nut.
Spring. What is that?
Some kind of little washer. Look at this. She's touching stuff, America.
Washer.
Dad!
Donut.
Something else with a hole in it they want me to put my finger in.
No.
You can't draw on your finger. Okay, what are those?
Nail.
A big nail. That looks like a doggy bone. Need my help?
It's a giant one. Ew! Touch me.
That's another nut. Bolt, I mean.
You can actually see it.
Yeah. You'll probably clean that up. I think more fell off of it.
One more of these things, yeah.
Yeah. Y'all catch a lot of those here. Dang.
Not entirely what they are, YouTube, not entirely sure. But there's a whole bunch of them down there.
I didn't know you had yours up yet. Oh, it's a nut.
What is it?
Another nut.
like barely hanging on. Oh, and Princess Rachel's got stuff too.
Ow!
Don't pinch your fingers.
Too late.
What is that? Nice. Lots of bolts.
I'm not made for this. What's up?
Oh, good job.
I'm not made for this.
Another bolt.
Mm-hmm.
I'm
Big old
catching
pile
more
of
than
bolts.
you.
Couple sticks. That looks like the number 8.
81.
Yeah, 81. Or 18 on this view. Didn't even see this. It's hanging off of her magnet.
Bullet weight. Another bolt.
Nice. Got something.
I have no clue what this is.
It's been what I've been catching.
Gosh. Ooh. I have no clue. Looks like a whole bunch of nuts.
All together.
Yep.
Got anything else on there?
Nope. Just some shards of metal.
And now she's got to hit the camera every time we pull it up because we're catching something every throw. Don't know what they are, but
Whatever
in
it
a nutshell, it's a U shape that goes through with bolts that tighten this part down to so like bracket something in the middle.
More
nuts.
nuts and washers.
Nice.
There you go, Magnet Mom.
Nice. Holy cow.
I think the proper phrase is holy nuts. Or holy bolts.
Holy Toledo, Batman.
That's a lot.
Yep.
Nice. More stuff.
Yep.
Wow.
Lots and lots of stuff. That was pretty easy.
Yeah.
More nuts and bolts.
More nuts and bolts.
It went on pause.
It's okay. Watch out. Oh man, that's heavy.
I don't think it's
Crap load.
nothing big. I think this is a big old pile of that crap down there.
It has to be.
That's what I'm talking about. Every time I drop a strike under me here, let it hit the bottom, pull it straight back up. Slow, obviously, so you don't drop nothing. See that?
That is awesome.
Looks like. Nope, just hooked together.
Ha.
I was gonna move the bucket, but there is no way I can move that bucket.
You got any?
Yeah.
More nuts and bolts, nuts and bolts, nuts and bolts. Nuts and bolts!
Nuts and bolts for breakfast.
Dad, thoughts on the nuts and bolts?
Better than nails.
Yep.
Better than nails, that's for sure.
More nuts and bolts! Yay! Mwah, nuts and bolts. Oh, you got a leaf.
And I got a little, I don't even know what that is. It's not a nail.
Hey, look, it's an A. That's an S, and that is an A. Nice, nice. More stuff.
Bolts and nuts, bolts and nuts.
Lots and lots of it.
Whew.
More nuts and bolts.
And brackets.
What's a bracket?
I'll show you. That's the bracket.
Cool.
It goes on something, clamps down.
Okay.
We got a little pink thing, and then this thing with a hole in it.
Okay.
It's a hole and you have something in your hand.
Lonely little nut, I think.
Think we cleared that entire thing up.
Alright, YouTube. Magnet wife and fat magnet guy are tired out of our minds here. If you come over this way, got a whole damn bucket of those things. Don't know what they are, but they are heavy, and I'm gonna. The one time I didn't bring my dolly out of the dang van.
Do your signature outro.
I'm gonna do the belly bongos. Don't worry.
No.
And I got sweat on my face, so. But links in the description for Rogue Magnetics as well as Kratos magnets. Some of the better magnets out there. I love my Rogue magnet. I use it every day.
It pulls a lot of stuff up.
So we're gonna hit the road, and we're gonna get some belly bongos from the wife today.
What?
But she's got to use my belly because she got dirty hands.
Nice.